Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off adaptive brightness in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. You will see the brightness in the notification area here. Okay, if you single swipe, you will get the brightness level here. If you click on this 3 button, you will get the brightness level. Okay, brightness level as of now full. Okay, full brightness is used in my phone. Okay, if you want to adjust the brightness like this, yes, you can decrease. Okay, but adaptive brightness means automatically based on the outlet light conditions, your phone will adjust the brightness automatically within a few seconds. Okay, so if you would like to set brightness manually, and if you would like to if you would like to not to change the brightness automatically, okay, if you would like to fix the brightness at particular level, you should turn off adaptive brightness. Okay, so what you have to do is just to turn off this button, so that adaptive brightness, that is automatically adjustment of brightness will be stopped, and you can set your own level of brightness. Okay, whether it is maximum or minimum or whatever you want, just place and just click on done and leave it, and brightness will not be changed based on the outside conditions, outside light conditions. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off auto brightness, auto brightness, that is called adaptive brightness option in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.